Well, here we are at the ranch, and I'm going to show you the bird village that we constructed. Hoping to get some nice songbirds out here. There are quite a few birds, but there's no place for them to land and eat, really. So we got this pond right there. It's got a gazebo over it now. And then we got Bird Village. We're hoping they'll land here and they'll go inside and lay eggs and stuff. We got water on top here. So this is just a temporary bird village. We're going to make a better one. I go look at the garden. There's the garden. Potatoes, onions, garlic. Going to be tomatoes and beans. This is the new construction for the new kitchen right here. And down here he found some red clay. Wow. Down in this hole that he's digging here. Interesting, huh? There's the old kitchen that's coming down. And the desert mule. And Travis's dog brought up this unsightly goat's head. Oh man.